Howdy y'all, this is Thomas, and today we'll be bringing Uranium Royalty Corp to the front and center, and we'll take a look at this business model, the royalty business model, specifically applied to the uranium sector and the uranium market. And for those looking to invest in the greenification and the renewable energies and the Green New Deal and that whole trend in terms of investing, this is an interesting sector to look at. I'm sure everyone has heard a little bit more about the energy prices going up, and of course the the world relies on nuclear power, and uranium is that source. So let's just take a look. Oh, we're at this page already. Okay, so this is a royalty company that kind of provides capital at the beginning. So it provides capital at the beginning, and then gets basically the right to get paid long term a percentage in that company in the stake, but doesn't take on the operating cost and all the liabilities to go with that. So that's a benefit of the royalty business model. I do want to take a look at their portfolio. So here are a couple of the MacArthur and the Cigar Lake. Let's see if we can get a better look at that one. I'll take you to the page itself. Those are the chemical production mines, which are a leading producer of uranium in the world, specifically in North America. I believe they're number one still, by a lot. So definitely access to good quality mines. And there's a big fundamental bullish fundamental case for the uranium sector. And so yeah, it produces it basically it provides capital to companies to operate mines and keep them afloat, and then get some royalty streams off of that. This is an interesting country in Africa, the only one outside of North America. And so comment in the leave a comment down below if you know what country that is before you search it up. Let me just do a quick Rolodex. What country is that? Okay, I think I got my guess. Do a reveal on that one somewhere down here, because it's going to tell us. It does produce 11%. That country produces 11% of the uranium. This country here in Africa, the uranium produced in the world. So it does definitely have a foothold, a good stake. Okay, so these are the MacArthur River. These are their featured cases. Let's see what's inside of here. Okay, the Saskatchewan is definitely the best mining jurisdiction. Okay, yeah. So this is the with the chemical. Yeah, it's a good. I mean, chemical is doing good in itself. All the uranium sector has gone up as the world needs more energy, and the price constraints are being felt around the world for the oil. The demand of nuclear power is sure to go up, and that's just a little bit of the some of the fundamentals for the uranium sector. All right, and then we'll take a quick look here at the investor center. Which one was I actually looking for? I didn't want to go there. I wanted to look at the the team itself, management. There it is, management directors. Okay, so Amir here, he's definitely been making his rounds in the resource sector. If you're into any of the commodity newsletters, you'll definitely see his name, and he definitely is a good person to lead the charge. He does have some gold mining stocks as well. So yeah, he's a good. I would say he's got his finger on the pulse in this, and he does have another the UROY, which is the gold royalty version of this company. So that's definitely good. This gentleman here, the CEO, has been around for a while. He's worked with Sprott. Here's some information on him. And the Spot Physical Uranium Trust has definitely started to move the market and make headways. So that's definitely something happening in the big news. And Kazanaprom. Oh, he served as an advisor for Kazanaprom, which is interesting because Kazanaprom has close ties with Russia, and it's has used so that I want to say that has affected the stock price of Kazanaprom. Let's take a quick look at that. Actually, I believe I have that pulled up already. No, here's okay. This is the UROY. So we just take a quick look at the monthly, and see this. It's been trending upward. And take a closer look and at the 5-day and notice just some upward trend, which definitely has to do with the inflation and also the geopolitics that are happening. And so yeah, it's been going across the no, that's not the one I was looking for. I was looking for Kazanaprom. Okay. And so this also is of note here. The Kazanaprom, which is the largest, hands down the largest producer of uranium in the world, but the geopolitical risk associated with this country and therefore this company has showed up in the stock price, and also the difficulty of retail investors investing in Kazanaprom also is a hindrance. So as more everyday investors and just people looking to be more informed are doing research and finding ways to make their capital work for them, they're turning to NASDAQ listed, and that is the UROY and also the Uranium Energy Corps, UEC, and just those North American representatives of of that sector, the uranium sector. So those are some interesting developments in the uranium sector. I'm gonna try to bring some more information and awareness to this, to the commodity bull cycle that's happening for the everyday investors and how they can get a piece of that. So if you're interested in that, definitely like and subscribe, because I'll cover some more of that. Let's just take a quick look at the UEC. I'm gonna do a breakdown of the UEC because this one has definitely this is primed and ready. So hopefully you're not too late on the uranium move to get into some of those lower price points, but don't beat yourself up too much, because I think it's just the start of a big bull cycle, because this sector has been in a decline for a long time. So if you do any research on the number of reactors that have gone back up and are being built you'll definitely have some change of heart if you thought that the uranium sector was a no-go, or that the world had given up on nuclear power. As there's some big news happening in Wyoming, so you have to stay tuned to get to that one. I'll hopefully produce that sooner than later. See you again.